Jerry's currently deciding which cooler bracket to mount.
So I just walked upstairs.
Yeah.
And have you walked upstairs since? Okay. So Sydney's playing a hentai game upstairs.
Why?
And I just walked in on a scene I probably can't describe on Twitch because it probably would not be Twitch allowed.
Oh my god. Why is she doing that in our office?
I think she's reviewing one.
Oh my god.
Oh.
You don't want to go upstairs right now.
I want to see this now.
Okay.
So now that we have two stories in our Trash Taste office, we have set up like a kind of office environment where I guess anyone from Geeks Plus or Trash Taste can work here. And Sydney chose today to come to the office and I guess play a hentai game. And I think Connor just saw what I saw.
Well, fuck the stream. Now I want to go see it. I actually am like starting to give less shits of the speedrun now. I just want to go see what she's looking at.
Oh, that's vile. That's disgusting.
That is disgusting.
That's so corroding. What the fuck?
So I put that
What's
on
wrong with
there.
this stuff, man?